storage problem, and this one fixed mine without a damn ladder either. In my garage, floor space gets cluttered. Get all that stuff off the floor and do it without climbing a ladder. The FLEXIMOUNT GL1 takes care of that for you. Let's get this baby unboxed and we'll see what's inside. Here's everything that comes in the box: brackets, hoist, pulleys, hardware, and the rack system. Pretty straightforward. Let's get it on the ceiling. First thing is to mount a template so your brackets line up with the joists. Mark your holes for the brackets. It goes into this bracket over here first, and you just slide it in here. Get both bolts in before you tighten them. Next up is routing the cable through the pulleys. Keep it straight and seated in the grooves. The rack goes together fast. Just make sure you have the right side up, square it up, put the hooks on it, and tighten it down. This is the part I like. Gets everything off the floor, opens up your workspace, and you never touch a ladder. Now let's go through the pros and cons. The pros are, it's affordable. It frees up your floor space. It's built like a battleship. It's solid construction. Very easy to use. And you don't need a ladder. Now the cons. You need to have solid ceiling joists to mount this. It's very important for safety purposes. You can't use it on a vaulted ceiling. A really high ceiling doesn't work for this. And it's manual operation, but if you saw me with the cordless drill, that's a cheat, and you can make it motorized. So if you're looking for a storage solution, I'll drop a link in the pinned comment below. It's the exact model that I'm using here. If you're short on space, this is the solution. Thanks for tuning in.